A customer standing at the counter, cash in hand, and you're still hunting for a calculator? There's a faster way. Meet Vyroq's built-in point of sale. No extra hardware, no separate app. Start, new sale, and under. Add a product, search by name or SKU or tap. Scan to sell and let your camera do the work. Each hit drops straight into the cart with live running totals. Got a product with sizes or colors? Pick the variant right there in the search results and quantities adjust with a single tap. No retyping, no duplicate lines. When the cart's ready, hit continue to checkout. Choose a payment method, cash, card, or mobile money, and optionally capture the customer name, email, or phone. Nothing required, everything optional. Click mark as paid, and that's it. Sale complete. Stock decrements automatically, and a download receipt link is ready in seconds. No register, no separate app, no manual stop math afterward. Just build the cart, get paid, and move to the next customer. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.